Hey guys, today I'm unboxing this limited edition Look Fantastic box. It's limited edition because it's the one for Singles Day 11/11. Comes in this really adorable pastel pink box. So it feels really heavy. Let's try to get this off. Okay, so it comes with this card on top. Ooh, and it has all the product information, which is awesome. It even has the grams. Just wish, it doesn't have the retail price, but it says that the overall price is, I can't remember what symbol this stands for. I think it's Hong Kong dollars. I will correct myself if I'm wrong, but it says above 1,900. The inside is also this pretty pastel pink paper. So we're gonna try and tear it open. And it's so heavy because it is packed full to the brim. It is packed full and so much products and so many full-size items. No wonder the box value is so high. Okay, so first up, on the top, it comes with a lollipop, pink candy lollipop for you. Singles Day doesn't mean you have to be unhappy. You can treat yourself. So eat the lollipop and the box says sweet love to you from Look Fantastic. So adorable. Okay, so the first thing I want to see, let's just see this one right on top. This, I'm pretty sure this is a full size, right? 56.7 grams, and it's the Ultra Repair Cream from the brand First Aid Beauty. This is one of their famous ones, and it's for intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. So it comes with like Chinese description, so let me just try to translate and be a little bit faster. It says that you can not only use it on your body, you can also use it on your skin, so you can use it head to toe throughout the day. It says that it's fragrance free, and I've never tried out any First Aid Beauty products, so let's see if it's really fragrance free. Yeah, I can't smell anything. So, there's a seal on it. This is how it looks. Let's try. Blend it in. Yeah, I don't smell anything, so it's definitely good for sensitive skin, especially if you're allergic to any fragrances. And fragrances can irritate your skin some. And it has already synced in, not sticky at all. I feel that just a little bit, it could go from here to here, so that's not bad. I like that. Excited to try out that brand. So the other thing here that's rolling around, this one is from The Lens. Dr. Marco Lens is the Micro Refiner Bi-Active Exfoliator for face and neck. And it's 50 ml. It also comes sealed and it smells pretty good. So it says that it won't strip away your skin's moisture, and you can use it like face to neck for smooth new skin. So your skin will look more radiant after using it. Okay, I can't get the seal off, but it seems like it's a gel because they didn't say anything about beads in it. So it's one of those, like probably one of those gel, and as you rub you can see your dead skin. Okay, let's look in the box, and over here I see this red thing, and it's from Elemis, and I know that Elemis is super expensive. It's one of those like luxury brands that I would never buy, but if not for this kind of boxes, I would never have tried out this brand. This is the Elemis Frangipani Monoi Hand and Nail Cream. So basically it's a luxurious hand cream, and it says that it's for hands and nails, nourishes, softens, strengthens, and it's 100 ml. That's a really big size. I'm excited to smell this because it says that it has shea butter and also omega-rich macadamia nut oil. So it restores moisture, promotes suppleness, and it also has a blend of vitamins. So that just smells amazing. Seems like it's not very thick, and you can just like what I would do is I would just put it overnight and just sleep with it, or you can put this on and then you cover your hands with cotton gloves after that for like 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, it goes a long way. Smells so nice. It's like the sweetness is just right. It doesn't irritate you, but you can still smell the sweetness, but it's just at a soothing level, and you can also use it on your nails. So that's pretty good. Usually I see like hand creams, they never said you could use it on your nails too. Next up, we have another ridiculously expensive brand that I would never have tried if it wasn't in a box. This is from Omorovicza. It's the Deep Cleansing Mask. It is 50 ml. Pretty sure this is the full size. It's such a big amount. So this promises you firmer, suppler, and younger looking skin. Wow, the packaging is really nice too. And it is the deep cleansing treatment. It's like Hungarian Moor Mud Mask. So I'm pretty sure I got a small size of this in my advent calendar. I think it's the same thing. So it helps to clear congested pores and brightens tone as it draws out impurities. So you just apply your face and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before you rinse it off. Oh wow, this is how it looks like. Although it says matte, it doesn't smell bad. Super excited to try this out. I'm definitely gonna have the price of this up above me, and I'm guessing it's probably ridiculous too. Oh, and it comes with a little spatula that's lost inside. Okay, so next up we have two more things. Oh no, we have a lot more things. So this one is a big box, and this is from Grow Gorgeous. It's the Hair Growth Serum Intense, 60 ml for visible improvement in hair appearance and density, fullness, and thickness. Wow, that sounds good. So the Chinese says that it also helps with reducing hair loss, and it also helps with the texture of your hair. And there's like a clinical thing which is like 40% concentration of 9 studied technologies. So you're supposed to apply 20 drops to the scalp once per day. Oh, so you can only use it either in the morning or at night. And then, oh wow, this bottle can last 2 months. 60 ml, 2 months. But the good thing is it comes with the dropper inside. And they say do not use it on eyebrows or eyelashes. I'm also going to do that. Okay, so it says that there's like a clinical study. 4 months, you can improve 30% of your hair volume. I'm surprised that the packaging actually looks so nice, and Grow Gorgeous, all of their products smell amazing. Next up, we have this tub over here, pretty generous size also. Oh, it's another luxury brand. It's from Christophe Robin, and I know it's for the hair. This is the Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure Rasol clay and rose extracts, and this is 75 ml. That's really good size. Ooh, this is how it looks like. Smells like rose, but not too much, so that's good too. This size is gonna be good, especially if you have like longer hair like mine or even longer. It says 85% of natural origin formula, and it says that apply on wet hair, massage into the scalp, emulsify, then rinse. Then you have to use like a conditioner after that. So it says hair is left with incredible volume and body at the roots, which is amazing because my hair is very poofy, but it's quite flat on the top, especially at the roots area. Okay, we have 2 things inside here. There's a sachet. Oh, this is just like an extra. It came with the Zelens thing. This is the Age Control Foundation. It's in the shade Cameo. Seems like a pretty good shade match for me, and it's 2 ml. So it's just like an extra freebie. And then the last thing inside here is a lipstick, and it's from the brand Bourjois. It's the Rouge Edition Velvet. It's in the shade 04, which is called Peach Club, and it's supposed to have a matte finish. I really like the shade, and I find that Look Fantastic always sends out like nice colors, not something ridiculous like blue or black. So comes with a nice applicator. Doesn't smell like much. Let's swatch this. Oh, it feels pretty smooth. So it says that it's supposed to be smooth. Oh, color is nice. And it's supposed to be like long-lasting hydration, so you can wear it as like a, I would say like a liquid lipstick for a while. It's actually pretty moussey. You can definitely like blend it out, or you can build it up. I really like it. It looks very smooth. Is it? Yeah, it looks very velvety. Okay, so now this is a box that I'm unable to tell you which is my favorite, because I like everything, and everything is such a good size and so luxury brands. Maybe this, I don't know, but look at the size of this and the size of this. Everything is just good. So I'm gonna leave all have already left above the price, because I'm really looking forward to calculating them and seeing what's the amount of this box and the value that it's worth. It seems like a really good value. So if you're interested in anything or you have any comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. My camera cut me off and I only had 2 more words to go. Next one. Bye. Okay, fine, 3 words.